Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Facebook Privacy Center settings and
open your web browser on your computer and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account using your email address and password.
Once logged in, locate the downward-facing arrow in the top right corner of your screen.
Click on the arrow to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand another menu. Choose Settings from this list. On the left sidebar, look for Privacy and click on it. This takes you to the Privacy Settings page. Here, you will see options regarding who can see your posts and friend requests, among others. Next, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Click on View Activity Log. In the Activity Log, you can review all of your past actions on Facebook. To manage your past posts, click on Filter at the top of the Activity Log. Select the types of activities you want to review, such as posts, likes, or comments. You can choose to delete or hide any content from here. Now, return to the main settings page by clicking Settings in the left sidebar again. Next, click on Privacy in the left menu. Here, you can adjust settings like your profile's visibility, friend requests, and how people can find you. To adjust who can see your future posts, click on Edit next to Who can see your future posts. Select your preferred audience from the drop-down menu. You can set it to Friends, Only Me, or create a custom list. After adjusting your settings, make sure to save any changes. Now, let's move on to the activity controls. In the left sidebar, click on Your Facebook information. Then, select Activity Control. You will see options for location history and face recognition. Click on each to enable or disable these. Take some time to review all options and find what best suits your privacy needs. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, make sure to save any changes. Finally, log out of your Facebook account to ensure your settings are taken into account. You've now successfully configured your Facebook privacy settings and activity controls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.